and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to follow an E major chord up the neck of the guitar, and we're going to call out the name of each chord as we play it. We'll also see if we can come up with some creative ways to use these chords. The first chord is, of course, E major. Our guitar is tuned E, A, D, G, B, E. We'll be using the traditional E major shape played by placing a finger on the A string 2nd fret, the D string 2nd fret, and the G string 1st fret, and we'll strum all the strings. That's our E major chord. We'll raise the chord by 1 fret, and we'll be calling these chords relative to where my index finger is. This chord is an E suspended 4, flat 6, flat 9. Now that's the chord we want to use if we want to play the bullfight song. It goes like this. Our next chord will be played at fret 3, and that chord is an E6 suspended 2 sharp 11. We'll raise it again to fret 4, and we'll get an E minor 7. Now we can use E minor 7 in this way. That's moving from E minor 7 down to E major. We'll move to fret 5, and we'll get a spaced out horror sounding chord. That's E major 7 flat 13. Move it up once again to fret 6, and we'll get a sweet sounding chord. That's E6 suspended 4. And we can move back and forth between those two. We'll move it up again, and we'll get E7 flat 9 sharp 11. Now if we move that one between fret 7 and fret 6, we get this sound. If we play this chord at fret 8, we get an E major 7 suspended 2. And if we move from fret 8 to fret 6, we get this sound. We'll move the chord to fret 9, and we'll get this one. E minor flat 6. To fret 10, and we get E6 flat 9. That's a little bit out there. To fret 11, E7 suspended 4 add 9. That one sounds pretty good. At fret 12 it gets weird again. E minor, major 7, sharp 11. And if we move it to fret 13, we'll wind up with another E chord. Or we're back to where we started. Now here's something that we can do that will remind you of a song by The Who. And that sounds like I Can See for Miles by The Who. And there's just a few things that we can do by simply moving an E major chord up the neck of the guitar.